Welcome back to SCQ. Scores in the match. Calabar High are on 11 points, Bellfield High on 1, as we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Calabar High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was Moses' father-in-law?
Israel.
That's right. Which type of cell division results in 2 daughter cells identical to the parent cell? Correct. What is the meaning of the suffix ness, N-E-S-S, as used in the word sadness?
State of.
Is accepted. In what year did Abdelmajid Tebboune become president of Algeria?
2020.
2019. Is the city of St. John's located on the southwest, northwest, or southeast coast of Antigua and Barbuda?
Southwest.
Northwest. What is the length in Earth months of 1 year on the planet Venus?
Venus about 225. That's roughly 8 months.
That's right. What 90s boy band was known for the single Bye Bye Bye?
Bye bye bye. NSYNC.
That's right. What is the bond order between the carbon and oxygen atoms in carbon monoxide?
CO, so that double one.
Double one.
3.
Next.
The sum of 2 numbers is 19. Their product is 84. What are the numbers?
7 and 12.
Correct. X-Men First Class is which installment of the X-Men movie
First.
series? 5th. That was the 5th. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Bellfield, coming over to you now. Time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was Isaac's paternal grandfather?
Pass.
Terra, what is the name of the first stage of mitosis?
Interphase.
Prophase, what is the meaning of the suffix al, A-L, as used in the word refusal?
Pass.
Act or process of. Who did Prime Minister Aziz Akanouche succeed as the leader of Morocco?
Pass.
Saad ad-Din Othmani is the city of Bridgetown, located in the northeast, southwest, or southeast of Barbados.
Southeast.
Southwest. How many hours are in 1 day on the planet Neptune?
Pass.
16. What male band was known for the single It's So Hard to Say Goodbye to Yesterday?
One Direction.
Boys to Men. What is the bond order between the nitrogen atoms and the nitrogen molecule?
2.
3. The difference between 2 numbers is 8 and their sum is 30. What are the numbers?
Pass.
11 and 19. Who played the role of Magneto in the movie X-Men First Class?
Pass.
Sir Ian McKellen, who replaced Vera Bird as Prime Minister, and we won't have time. All right, Bellfield, that was your first minute. Calabar, coming back over to you now. Time for your second minute. Who formed the Antigua Labour Party in 1946? Sorry?
Vera Conwell Bird. VC Bird.
Okay, who won? That's correct. Who won the U.S. Open 2022 women's singles title in lawn tennis?
US.
Emma Raducanu.
Iga Swiatek.
Next.
What nationality was the physicist Blaise Pascal?
French.
Correct. What specific part of the human body is el dedo?
Finger.
That's right. In what country was the Caribbean poet Lionel Moise born?
Moise.
Choose one, man.
Ghana.
Haiti. What is the name of the property in Clarendon that Sir Henry Morgan deeded to his German wife based on a word she said meaning thanks?
Chabadan.
Danks. What place in the Bible is called Zion and the city of David?
City of David. City of David. Bethlehem.
Bellefield.
Jerusalem. What vitamin does the sun's ultraviolet rays help the skin produce? Correct. Spell the word niche, which means a specialized segment.
CHE.
That's right. Who is the president of the Caribbean Court of Justice?
CCJ. A. John Saunders.
Correct. Honorable. Which U.S. state is called the Yellowhammer State?
Alabama.
That's right. Which Jamaican parish lies to the west of St. James and to the north of Westmoreland? Sorry? I didn't hear your answer. Hanover is the correct answer. Well done for your second minute there. Bellfield, coming back over to you now. Time for your second minute. How many times has Rafael Nadal won the U.S. Open men's singles title in lawn tennis?
6.
4. What nationality was the physicist Paul Dirac?
German.
English. What specific part of the human body is el cuello?
Knee.
Neck. On which island in the Caribbean was the poet Julia de Burgos born?
Antigua Barbuda.
Puerto Rico. What is the name of the spot near Mandeville where market women stop to put their goods and clothing in order before proceeding to town?
Caledonia Market.
Put together corner. In the Bible, of which boy was it said that it was known from Dan to Beersheba that he would be a prophet?
Pass.
Samuel. What substance found in food helps move wastes through the body?
Enzymes.
Fiber. Spell the word bizarre, which means very strange or unusual.
Bizzare.
Just one Z. Bizarre. In what year was the Caribbean Court of Justice inaugurated?
Pass.
2005, The Last Frontier is one nickname of which U.S. state?
Nevada.
Alaska. Which Jamaican parish is bordered by St. Mary and St. Anne in the north, and that's St. Catherine. Well done, Bellfield, for your second minute there. Calabar, coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. Niccolò Paganini was the most celebrated player of which musical instrument in his time?
Clarinet.
The violin. In what group of the periodic table is the element nickel?
Nickel. 10.
That's right. What is the least common multiple of 18 and 30? Not the buzzer section yet.
Multiple. 90.
90.
That's right. Which actor portrays Jack Ryan in the television series of the same name?
You have that?
No.
Ryan Gosling.
John Krasinski, British Admiral Lord Rodney, defeated what country's fleet which attempted to invade Jamaica in 1782?
France.
Correct. Who received the 2021 NBA Sixth Man of the Year award in the USA?
LeBron.
You have that?
LeBron James.
Jordan Clarkson. Complete the equation. Wavelength is equal to frequency divided by?
Wave speed.
Correct. What is la camisa?
The shirt.
Richard.
That's right. How many of Ernest Hemingway's 10 novels were published after his death?
So 8.
3. Near which town in St. Catherine, Jamaica is the heritage site of Colbeck Castle?
Near
Big
which?
Stone.
Oh, near stone.
Olaba.
Correct. In the Bible's New Testament, who was the husband of Drusilla?
Drusilla. Priscilla.
Felix.
Drusilla.
Felix is the answer to that. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Bellfield, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. On which instrument was Franz Liszt an inspired performer?
Pass.
Piano. In what group of the periodic table is the element zinc?
13.
12. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 14?
'84.
42. Who played Jack Ryan's boss, Admiral Greer, in the
Pass.
first 3 movies? James Earl Jones. What was the first free village in Jamaica?
Spanish Town.
Sligo Ville. Who received the 2022 NBA Sixth Man of the Year award in the USA?
Steph Curry.
Tyler Hero. What can be defined as the measure of the bending of a ray of light when passing from one medium into another?
Refraction.
Judges, refractive index. What are Los Pantalones?
Pants.
Correct. How many of Emily Dickinson's poems were published during her lifetime?
6.
10. In which location in St. Catherine is the Two Sisters Cave?
St. Thomas.
Hellshire Hills. In the Bible's New Testament, which apostle declared, and we won't? Half time. All right. Well done, Bellfield, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge this evening. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High on 30, Bellefield High on 2. When we come back, it will be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after this.